Hey guys, welcome to Tech Overloaded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing YouTube banner. Go to Google Chrome. If my YouTube banner is also amazing, you can tell me in the comment section. Now let's get back. Open a new tab. Go to canva.com. It's a free tool. It also has a paid version, but we can work on a free version and make amazing things. Okay, I'm using the free version. Now search here for YouTube banner. Here you can see YouTube banner, click on it. Now it will display all the banners available. Now it has some paid version and premium version. I will show you how to make it amazing with the free version. I am looking for a good one. I think that will be amazing. Or you have to go for a gaming type, so that will be amazing. So I will click on it. It's taking a little bit time. Customize this template. Okay, in this panel you will get more designs. You can also choose from here. Okay, now you can do anything from here. As you can see elements, you can make it amazing by yourself. As you can see, I will go to frame. Okay, let's get this for the channel image, channel icon. You can and do anything, drag and drop. Okay, now you can upload, fix any image in here. As I'm using that image, that will be funny, but it's for the tutorial basis. Okay, you can now write here your channel name. You can also change font from here. Channel name. If you want to change your font, here's the list of all available fonts. You can change it here from here. I think that is a pretty good font, so let's get with it. Or you have to add your logo here, so you can also search for logo, YouTube logo, YouTube, search for it. As you can see, they are very much pretty YouTube logos. You can select it from here and drag it here. Now resize it. I think red one will be perfect for this. I will delete it. Yes. Now I will resize it. You can paste anywhere you want. It's looking funny, but you can design anything you want. It adds many frames, as you can see. Frames, many icons, or if you want to add more icons, you can upload from anywhere. Okay, let's see. I want to add a YouTube icon. Search for YouTube icon. Let's save this image, download it. Now you can drag and drop and add this icon to your banner, as you can see, and you can download anytime it from here. Click on download. and click on download again. It will download your amazing channel art. You can also sell these services on Fiverr and Upwork. As you can see, it's downloading. So it should take a while. As you can see, it is without any watermark. It's amazing and clear. No, it's not pixelating. You can add it to a channel as I have added in my channel. If I help you in anything, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care.